quite pretty, delicious, so full of goodness. Cook lentils with some cumin, so there is no water left at the end. Baby spinach here looks like lots, but it will cook to nothing. So wash and pat dry as best as you can. The onion and half a head of garlic I'm gonna use. Good piece of butter, olive oil. Cook onions long and slow. Once they are done, add your grated garlic, minute or two, and then start adding spinach in batches. Wilt down each batch before adding the next. Cook spinach very briefly on high heat just to wilt it down. Mix lentils in, lots of black pepper. A big spoon of Greek-style yogurt, and then make some paprika oil, heat a bit, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and mix it with 1 teaspoon of paprika and drizzle it over for a bit of color.